Hi everyone. In this section, we're going to see the different communication channels through which an end user can reach out to a particular company. So talking about it, I'm here in Freshdesk's admin panel, which neatly describes all the support channels that are part of the instance. So let me take portal here to start with. With regards to portal, Freshdesk will offer a separate page, which is the customer facing page. And this is just a version of it, meaning the portal can be completely customized to make it look like an extension of the company's website. Let it be the logo or the URL, the design and the entire framework can be completely customized to make it look the way the company wants to. And this can be an extension, meaning there can be a button enabled on the website that says support, clicking on which the end users can land in this particular page. And here, while they are, the end users can search for anything they have in mind. And based on the keywords, they will be prompted with articles and tickets they have created in the past. So they can take a look at them to see if they find answers for the questions they have. If not, they can also scroll down to see if the answers are present in the neatly arranged 3-layer hierarchy of the knowledge base with category on top, folders under them, and articles beneath them. And these articles can be built based on videos and images. So information can be presented in any form that you want to. And here in the admin section, an agent will be able to create an article by going to the solutions section, go to the new article, put in the title, put the content, and when they click publish, it will be available here on the portal. Apart from the knowledge base, if the customers want an answer, they can also make use of a quick chat option here. So the chat is going to put them in touch with an agent. So they're going to initiate a conversation from here. So there are a couple of options here. So if they initiate a conversation, a bot could also engage them to start with. So a bot can be completely designed here in the admin section, where it can be trained based on the solution articles that you have here in the instance. Or you could also create answers and map them to specific answers. And you will also be able to design a flow like the one that I have here. It can be a question and answer. So there can be a response added in the form of quick replies or say name or email address, or also custom responses, so that you give options to customers based on what they choose. You will be able to further help them find an answer. So that's about the bot capability, which can also help customers get answers right away by asking the bot. If not, they can be put in touch with an agent who can help them, and the agent will be able to take the chats right from the same instance from where they will be able to handle other tickets as well. If they have skipped both the chat and the knowledge base, they can very well go ahead and fill a form. The form you look here is completely customizable. You can have your own set of fields like a drop down, single line text, etc., and precisely collect the information you need from the end users. If in case you want the option of a form and the knowledge base to be available on the website itself, then we have an option called widgets. So with widgets, you will be able to engage your customers right on an application that you have or on your website. So this is how it's going to look, where you're going to have the knowledge base articles listed, then you have the ticket form listed here. So the difference between a widget and a portal is that it's about where you want to engage your end users, either on the website or on a separate instance that we offer as a portal. A couple of advantages of using a portal are you will be able to completely customize it. And also you will be able to have a forum, a community forum, through which you can promote discussions between your end users. It's kind of a community that you'll be able to run. You can do announcements and proactively engage your users to post questions, which can either be answered by you or it could also be answered by some other user. So that's about the portal experience. So far we have seen about portal and the widgets. Apart from these, we have also seen the bot capability and how it can be designed and trained here. Talking about the traditional route, which is the email channel, you will be able to configure your company's support email address so that if a customer tries to reach out to your company, the emails will automatically get forwarded to Freshdesk and created as a ticket in the instance. And also there is other alternate where you will also be able to use your own custom email server so that the email transactions can be controlled using your server. So using one of these two options, you will be able to configure the email address in a way where all emails land here as a ticket and the reply being sent will go back as an email to the end user. It's about the email channel. And you also have presence in the social media, right? Because there are so many people who would want to reach out or would want to shout out from where they are. So for which we do have presence in Twitter and Facebook natively, where you'll be able to configure your Twitter handle or the Facebook page with Freshdesk. If you take Facebook as an example, with the page that you are configuring, you will be able to convert all posts added by visitors or just the comments added on post by visitors into a ticket. Likewise, direct messages can also be converted into a ticket. And when you reply from Freshdesk, it will go back as a message or as a comment based on which channel it was actually created. In a similar way, with regards to Twitter, you'll be able to configure your handle here. And when someone tweets, and if you reply to it, it will go back as a tweet in Twitter. Apart from these two native integrations, we also have integrations around Instagram and WhatsApp. So if someone is going to send you a WhatsApp message, a reply sent from Freshdesk will go back to their WhatsApp itself. You will be able to configure your WhatsApp number in Freshdesk. And with regards to Instagram, again, it will also create a ticket inside the system so that you will be able to reply to the comments in Instagram as well. And this is where all the tickets are going to land. And once they land, you will be able to put in the source, identify what are those tickets and able to take it forward. So this is the second module that we will be covering in terms of routing mechanism. Just to quickly summarize this module here, in terms of the support channels, end users can reach out to a company in ways that they are comfortable with. So the option number one would be a portal, where you will be able to have a portal through which end users can reach out by either using the knowledge base articles or by using the bot capability or a live chat instance or even the forum. And if in case they want to reach out to the company directly to have an interaction, then they can make use of the ticket form. And also there is a provision to have multiple such portals enabled. If in case you're managing multiple businesses, you can have a separate instance for each of the businesses from a customer facing portal standpoint. And then we have the email option, the portal option, and then the social media, chat, and also the phone option. So with regards to the phone, end users can call to your number and the agents will be able to pick the calls right from here from the same instance. So that's about the different communication channels through which end users can reach out to you.